So children, very first thing we are going to do is put the date. Today's date is 3/2/2021. Okay, and on the red line you are going to write CW and also the page number. Okay, page number 61. This you will write on the red line. Okay, and question we are going to write on the first line. Okay, now question you are going to write, make sentences beginning with there is, put them in inverted commas, and there are two describe the picture. Okay, picture is there in your book, page number 61. So what we have to do, we have to describe the picture, children, and we have to begin the sentences with there is and there are, and we have done this many times, enough number of times we have started the sentences with there is and there are. So I hope every one of you know it very well. As you can see, children, this is a picture of a classroom. Teacher is there, some children are there, blackboard is there. So this is a picture of classroom, and what is given? You can use these words and phrases for help. What are those? 6 children. So it is given that 6 children are sitting in the classroom. A teacher is there. 4 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 windows are there. A blackboard on the wall. A blackboard is also there on the wall. And many more things you can also see in the classroom. But these things are given for help. And what is the first sentence given? There are 6 children. So what we have to begin with? There is or there are. And in the first sentence, we have taken the first help, that is 6 children. And the sentence is there are 6 children. Like this, you will make the sentences. Okay, and we are going to write it in the notebook. First sentence is already given in your book. We are going to write that one first. Okay, and the sentence is THERE there, ARER 6 children. This is already given in our book. And the next one we made is yes, children. So here 6 is more than 1. So we are using there are, because we use there are for more than 1. Either more than one thing or more than one people. Okay. And the second one we did is there is a blackboard on the wall. Now, this was the help given in our book. Blackboard on the wall. Okay. A blackboard means how many blackboard? One. And generally there is only one blackboard in the classroom. So, when we are talking about one thing, so we are using here there is. We will begin the sentence with there is. There is a blackboard on the wall. Okay. I repeat, children. If the thing is one, then we are going to use there is. And if we are talking about more than one thing or one people, then we will begin the sentence with there are. Okay. So, third one, we are going to write there is a teacher. There is a teacher. As given in our book, a teacher. Okay. And when we are talking about one people, that is a teacher means one teacher, we are going to use is, and we will begin the sentence with there is. Okay, children. So I repeat, there is a teacher. Now, what can be our fourth sentence? And fourth one, we will write there are 4 windows. Now here, children, we are talking about 4. 4 is more than 1. So we have begun the sentence with there are, because we use there are when we talk about more than one thing. Okay, and we are talking about 4 windows, so we will begin the sentence with there are. There are 4 windows. So our next sentence is, that is number 5. There are many pictures on the wall. Now, what are we talking about, children? Pictures. S is there, that means picture is more than one. Many again shows that pictures are more than one. Many pictures, more than one pictures. Okay? Many pictures on the wall. So, when we are talking about more than one picture, we are going to start our sentence with there are. So, the sentence is, there are many pictures on the wall. So, our next sentence is, there is a fan. Okay, how many fan is there in the room? 1. So, we have written a fan, and when we are talking about one thing, we have to start the sentence with there is. Okay, so the sentence will be, there is a fan. Okay, there is a fan. Let's see the next one. Number 7 is, there is duster on the table. Okay. So, how many duster is there on the table? Only one. And when we are talking about one thing, what we are supposed to use? What we are supposed to begin the sentence with? There is. So, our sentence is, there is a duster on the table. Okay. As you can see in the picture, there is a duster kept on the table, teacher's table. Only one duster is there, so the sentence is, there is a duster on the table. So our next sentence, that is 8th one, is, there are many tables. Okay. How many tables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I can see over there. Okay, so it is more than one. Many tables, that is more than one. S is also there, so it is more than one. So when we are talking about more than one thing, we have to start the sentence with there are. Okay, so there are many tables. Number 8 sentence will be, there are many tables. And our 9th sentence is, there are 2 tube lights. Okay, we can see there are 2 tube lights. We have counted. There are 2 tube lights in the classroom. So we have written 2 tube lights, and 2 is more than 1. So we will start the sentence with there are. There are 2 tube lights. Okay. And our last sentence, that is the 10th one, we will write, there are many pencils. As we can see, so many children are sitting there and everybody has a pencil. So we consider it as many pencils, and many means more than one. So we have to start the sentence with there are. And our sentence will be, there are many pencils. I repeat, there are many pencils. So children, this is all for today. Thank you very much.